Okay, how is everyone doing on this beautiful, beautiful what? Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, y'all, I just got a package from excuse me, from Amazon. And I had been wanting one of these for a while now, and I didn't know if I wanted to get just one particular piece, or did I want to get the whole set, because I don't like clutter. I don't. So I found this very cute. What y'all think it is? What y'all think it is? Oh, let me tell y'all. Y'all be careful. Those criminals are out there. I had just got an email from so-called Amazon saying that my address, that my package wasn't able to be delivered because my address wasn't right. And I know damn well my address is correct, in the Amazon app. Come to find out, and you know how they have a tracking number. That wasn't even my item. That wasn't even my item, y'all. That was somebody trying to buy with my credit card. Y'all, damn. Praise the Most High watching over me. Damn. Whew. Because I kept saying my address is right. When you order from Amazon, and you could track your package, and it shows the address that it's going to. So my address was correct. So how the hell it wasn't right? That was just somebody trying to buy something, trying to steal from me. Okay, y'all, if I get this out. Let's see, let me pull it out. There we go. I have to cut this. Okay, here we go. So what we have here is and I'm sure it's going to be easy to put together. It's going to be a simple 1, 2, 3. I purchased a Vanity chair. Yes. That way I could just sit and do my videos wherever, whether if I'm in my lounge or if I'm in the bathroom. And this is so cute. Look at that pink. That pink is so cute. It's so cute. I like that. And it opens up. Okay. And it also has storage, some storage compartments, okay? So here's all of my little, this is cute. So here's all the handy dandies, the legs, and the little screwdriver. The screwdriver that it comes with. Let's see what's all in here, y'all. Let's see what's all in here. Yeah, so Oh my God, y'all be careful. This road, dude, it is getting worse and worse. That's why you got to keep yourself prayed up. This is ridiculous. I think we're supposed to have another lockdown coming, y'all. Okay, so these are the legs. This is cute. It's cute. These are the legs. The legs gonna have to look like that. Yeah, because it'll. Cute. And y'all know I had to get a pink. I was gonna get white, but I changed my mind to get pink. I'm gonna hang on to this. Y'all know Coco. And of course, it came with the little, you know, the little screws and the came with the screws and the little. I love this little handy dandy. So this is going to be very easy putting together. So let's see. Yeah, see, this is going to be easy. This is going to be so easy to put together, y'all. It's going to be so easy. So thanks for watching this unboxing video. I will be doing an assemble video. Okay, I will be doing an assembly video with you all. Y'all be safe. Protect your mind, body, soul, and your damn money. I tell you the truth. This is ridiculous. Yeah, this is going to be so simple. Because all I'm have to do is just flip this over, and that's it. So, stay tuned.